Hello students, welcome back to the third session of rational numbers chapter. Children, we have seen in the last session operations on rational numbers, in that particularly addition of rational numbers. I gave you 5 examples of adding any two rational numbers, and we have seen in that 5 examples, first when we take sum of both positive numbers, both positive rational numbers, next in that with the same denominator, and we found the result of adding any two positive rational numbers with the same denominator. Here answer is 6/5. Try to know the terminologies involved in addition of any two rational numbers. In the addition, the result what we get after adding numbers will be called as sum. So, here the rational number 6/5, which is the result of adding 4/5 and 2/5, it is called as sum of any two rational numbers. And what do we call the numbers which are getting added? The numbers which are getting added in the addition, they are called addends. Addends, spelling of addends, A-D-D-E-N-D-S, addends. So, we have both 4/5 and 2/5 called as addends. Now, in the addition, I have told you two words. One, result what we get by adding any two numbers called as sum, and the numbers which we are adding are called as addends. You know here sum of any two rational numbers with the same denominator. How to add is last session I have mentioned. Here let me quickly recollect, and hoping from you the sum of the rest of 4 examples. Pass. Students, we will be now recollecting the sum of those examples which we have done in the last session. The sum of both positive numbers, both positive rational numbers with a different denominator. I gave you 2/3 plus 6/5, and their sum is 28/15. Next, the sum of two rational numbers where one being negative and the other being positive with different denominators. I gave you -5/9 plus 6/5. The sum of -5/9 and 6/5 rational numbers is 29/45. Next, when this rational number being positive and the other being negative, one more example I gave you with a different denominator again. The sum of 2/3 and -4/5 is -2/15. And lastly, I gave you an example of two rational numbers, negative rational numbers, when they are added with a different denominator. -5/9 added to -4/5 gives you the sum -61/45. Here all these results are called sum. Here all these rational numbers which we are added, which are getting added, they are called addends in the operation addition of rational numbers. So, here I would like to mention one speciality. Could you find all the sum of any two rational numbers being again rational number? Could you notice that? Yes, sum of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. In next sessions, we will be learning about this speciality and we will be concluding one of the important properties of rational numbers called closure property, which deals with the same knowledge. When we add any two rational numbers, the sum of them is again a rational number. So, this property we will be learning in detail in our next session. Okay children, now we will be taking another operation on rational numbers, that is subtraction operation. Ha students, now we are going to learn subtraction on rational numbers. Subtraction of any two rational numbers, and what would be the terminologies related to subtraction. Let me take same examples, that is the same numbers with the change in operation. I am going to take same examples, whereas now I will do subtraction of those rational numbers. Children, when we have any two positive rational numbers with the same denominator getting subtracted, here the terminologies we use: one, difference; the result that we get when we subtract any one number from the other number, that result is called as difference. Next, another terminology, subtrahend, and another terminology, minuend. Here the number which is getting subtracted is called as subtrahend, and the number from which we are doing subtraction is called minuend. So, 2 by 5 is called subtrahend, 4 by 5 is called minuend, and the result what we are going to get is called difference. Do you know how to do the operation of students? We will see now how to do subtraction of any two rational numbers. Here I have taken two rational numbers with the same denominator, two positive rational numbers. In fact, since the denominators are same, LCM of them is same number, and this denominator 5, in this LCM 5 for one time. So, that one time is going to multiply numerator of rational number 4 by 5, which we call minuend. 1 into 4 is 4. Subtrahend has positive sign, but the operation is subtraction. So, that operation symbol to be taken, and here minuend is also positive number. So, we have minuend one way giving you in the numerator of the result integers. You could observe here when we completely do the operation, this denominator of 2 by 5 in this LCM for one time, so that one time multiplies to this 2 given here 2. Here we have, since it is positive rational number, we have positive integer coming in the numerator of result. Children, here in this operation, denominator is LCM and numerator is a subtraction operation on integers. If you are well learned how to do subtraction of integers, you will never find difficulty in doing subtraction of rational numbers. You know here, difference between 4 and 2 integers is 2. The result is 2 upon 5. This 2 by 5 is called difference, and here I am writing this 2 by 5 is the difference, which is the result of subtraction of any two rational numbers, and this 4 by 5 is a minuend from which we are subtracting 2 by 5. This 2 by 5 is called subtrahend. Now we will do rest of the examples.